versatile. You can have it for breakfast, as a snack, or even use it in cooking. But beyond its convenience and taste, yogurt is a nutritional powerhouse packed with benefits that can seriously upgrade your health. And I mean that. We're not just talking about one or two things here. This simple food has a profound impact on your body, from your gut all the way to your brain. So, what exactly are we going to cover? I've done the research, gone through the studies, and I've compiled a list of the top 10 evidence-based health benefits of yogurt that you absolutely need to know about. We'll explore how it can transform your digestion, supercharge your immune system, strengthen your bones, and even improve your mood. Some of these might genuinely surprise you. By the end of this video, my goal is to give you a complete picture of why this fermented dairy product deserves a regular spot in your diet. Whether you're an athlete, someone looking to manage their weight, or just trying to live a healthier life, there's something in here for you. So grab a spoon, maybe even a cup of yogurt, and let's get into the science behind this amazing food. Let's go. First up, let's talk about the gut. This is probably the most well-known benefit of yogurt, and for good reason. Your digestive system is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as your gut microbiome. Keeping this community balanced is crucial for your overall health, and this is where yogurt shines. It's packed with probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria. The most common strains you'll find are from the Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium families. Think of these as friendly reinforcements for your gut, helping to maintain order and fight off the bad guys. When you eat yogurt, you're directly introducing these good bacteria into your system. These probiotics do more than just exist in your gut. They actively work to improve your digestive processes. They help break down food, particularly lactose, which is why some people with lactose intolerance find they can actually tolerate yogurt better than milk. They also help regulate bowel movements, which can alleviate common issues like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. By creating a healthier gut environment, these probiotics can significantly reduce the discomfort associated with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. It's really a foundational benefit that sets the stage for many others we'll discuss. Building on that foundation of a healthy gut, let's move to benefit number 2, a boosted immune system. It might sound strange, but a huge portion of your immune system, we're talking around 70%, is located in your gut. So it makes perfect sense that a healthier gut microbiome leads to a stronger immune response. The probiotics in yogurt play a direct role here. They interact with the cells in your intestinal lining, essentially training your immune system to be smarter and more efficient. They help it distinguish between genuine threats, like pathogenic bacteria, and harmless substances. This regulation is key. Probiotics can stimulate the production of immune cells like T cells and natural killer cells, which are your body's frontline soldiers against infections. At the same time, they help control inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, and by keeping it in check, probiotics help your immune system focus its energy where it's needed most. Studies have shown that regular consumption of probiotic-rich yogurt may lead to a lower incidence and duration of common respiratory infections, like the common cold. It's like giving your body's defense team a daily training session. All right, let's talk structure. Benefit number 3 is all about promoting strong, healthy bones. We all know milk is good for your bones because of calcium, and yogurt, being a dairy product, is no different. In fact, it's an excellent source. A single serving can provide a significant chunk of your daily calcium needs, which is the primary mineral that makes up your bone structure. But it's not just about calcium. Your body needs other nutrients to properly absorb and utilize it, and yogurt brings those to the party as well. It's a fantastic source of phosphorus and potassium, and many yogurts are fortified with vitamin D. This is a crucial combination. Vitamin D acts like a key, unlocking your body's ability to absorb calcium from your gut into your bloodstream. Without enough vitamin D, the calcium you consume might not even make it to your bones where it's needed. Phosphorus is another essential mineral that works alongside calcium to build bone density. Together, this team of nutrients helps maintain bone mass throughout your life, reducing the risk of conditions like osteopenia and osteoporosis, especially as you get older. Moving from your bones to your heart, benefit number 4 is that yogurt can support your cardiovascular health. This is a big one, as heart disease remains a leading health concern globally. So how can a simple cup of yogurt help? Well, it works in a few different ways. First, let's look at blood pressure. Yogurt is rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a vital role in balancing sodium levels in the body. By helping your body excrete excess sodium, potassium can help relax your blood vessel walls, which in turn can lead to lower blood pressure readings. But that's not all. Some studies suggest that the probiotics and fermentation process in yogurt can have a positive impact on your cholesterol profile. They may help lower LDL or bad cholesterol, while potentially raising HDL, the good cholesterol. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, it's believed that probiotics can bind to cholesterol in the gut, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. When you combine lower blood pressure with better cholesterol levels, you get a powerful recipe for reducing your overall risk of heart disease and stroke. It's a simple dietary addition with potentially life-saving benefits. Benefit number 5 is something many of us are interested in: aiding in weight management. Now, no single food is a magic bullet for weight loss, but yogurt has some unique properties that make it an excellent partner in a healthy weight journey. The biggest factor here is its high protein content, especially in varieties like Greek yogurt. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient, meaning it helps you feel fuller for longer compared to carbs or fats. Eating a protein-rich yogurt for breakfast or as a snack can curb your appetite and reduce your overall calorie intake throughout the day. Beyond just keeping you full, there's a growing body of research looking at how the gut microbiome itself influences metabolism and weight. The probiotics in yogurt may play a role in how your body harvests energy from food and stores fat. Some studies suggest that a healthy, diverse gut microbiome, supported by probiotics, can lead to a more efficient metabolism and may even influence hormones that regulate appetite, like leptin and ghrelin. So, by choosing yogurt, you're not just getting a low-calorie, high-protein snack, you're also nurturing a gut environment that could be more conducive to maintaining a healthy weight. This next one is fascinating and really highlights how interconnected our bodies are. Benefit number 6 is that yogurt may enhance your mood and mental health. We're now beginning to truly understand the power of the gut-brain axis, which is a constant two-way communication highway between your digestive system and your central nervous system. What happens in your gut doesn't just stay in your gut, it can directly influence your thoughts, feelings, and overall mental state. The probiotics in yogurt are key players in this communication network. These beneficial bacteria can produce neurotransmitters, which are the chemical messengers your brain uses to regulate mood. This includes serotonin, often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. In fact, a large majority of your body's serotonin is produced in the gut. By fostering a healthy gut environment, the probiotics in yogurt can potentially support healthier levels of these crucial brain chemicals. Emerging research has linked probiotic consumption to reductions in symptoms of anxiety, depression, and stress. While it's not a cure, incorporating yogurt into your diet could be a simple, supportive strategy for your mental well-being. Let's talk about your body's largest organ, your skin. Benefit number 7 is improved skin health, and well, this really works from the inside out. Just like the gut-brain axis, there's also something called the gut-skin axis. Inflammation in the gut can often show up as skin problems. By promoting a healthy gut and reducing systemic inflammation, the probiotics in yogurt can actually help with conditions like acne, eczema, and rosacea. When your gut is happy and balanced, your skin often reflects that with a clearer, calmer complexion. But you know, the benefits aren't just from the probiotics. Yogurt is also a good source of nutrients that are really essential for skin repair and health. It contains zinc, which helps with cell regeneration and controlling inflammation, and B vitamins, especially riboflavin or B2, which keeps skin hydrated and helps protect cells from oxidative stress. Some people even use plain yogurt topically as a face mask. The lactic acid in yogurt acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to dissolve dead skin cells, tighten pores, and even out skin tone. So, you can eat it for internal benefits and, yeah, apply it for an external glow too. Benefit number 8 is all about your oral health. We often think about avoiding sugar to protect our teeth, but what if I told you that eating a certain food could actually help your smile? The same probiotics that work wonders in your gut can also help create a healthier balance of bacteria in your mouth. Your mouth has its own microbiome, and an overgrowth of certain bad bacteria, like Streptococcus mutans, is what leads to plaque buildup, cavities, and gum disease. The probiotics in yogurt can help inhibit the growth of these harmful bacteria, reducing your risk of dental caries. Furthermore, the lactic acid in yogurt, while acidic, is thought to help fight off the bacteria that cause bad breath. Beyond the probiotics, the calcium and phosphorus in yogurt are just as important for your teeth as they are for your bones. These minerals are essential for building and maintaining strong tooth enamel, which is your teeth's primary defense against decay. So, a daily serving of unsweetened yogurt could be a great addition to your brushing and flossing routine. This next benefit is incredibly important given the rising rates of metabolic disease. Number 9 is a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Large-scale observational studies have consistently found an association between regular yogurt consumption and a lower incidence of this condition. While association doesn't equal causation, the evidence is compelling and points to a few potential mechanisms. The probiotics in yogurt may help improve the body's inflammatory response and oxidative stress, both of which are implicated in the development of insulin resistance. Furthermore, yogurt's unique combination of protein and fat can lead to a slower, more controlled release of sugar into the bloodstream compared to other carbohydrate sources. This helps prevent the sharp blood sugar spikes that, over time, can wear out the body's insulin-producing cells. The fermentation process itself may also create unique bioactive peptides that improve insulin sensitivity, making your body's cells more responsive to the insulin it does produce. For individuals with prediabetes or those looking to prevent diabetes, incorporating plain, unsweetened yogurt into a balanced diet appears to be a very smart move for long-term blood sugar control. For our final benefit, number 10, we're touching on some very promising, though still developing, research potential cancer protection. Specifically, studies have suggested a link between yogurt consumption and a lower risk of colorectal cancer. A large meta-analysis published in the International Journal of Cancer pooled data from numerous studies and found that individuals who regularly consumed yogurt had a significantly lower risk of developing this type of cancer. The researchers believe this protective effect is likely multifaceted. The probiotics, Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, which are used to make yogurt, may play a role by binding to and neutralizing carcinogens in the colon. They also help maintain a healthy gut environment, reducing the chronic inflammation that can be a precursor to cancer. Furthermore, the high calcium content in yogurt is also thought to be protective, as calcium can bind to bile acids and fatty acids in the colon, reducing their ability to damage the cells of the colon lining. While more research is needed, this is an incredibly encouraging area that adds yet another powerful reason to appreciate yogurt. So there you have it, 10 incredible, science-backed reasons to make yogurt a staple in your diet. From your gut to your brain, your bones to your heart, its benefits are truly impressive. But before you rush out to the grocery store, I want to leave you with a crucial piece of advice. To get the most out of your yogurt, you have to choose wisely. Many flavored yogurts on the market are loaded with added sugars, which can negate many of the health benefits we just talked about. Your best bet is always to opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt. Look for labels that say live and active cultures to ensure you're getting those all-important probiotics. Once you have your plain yogurt, the possibilities are endless. Use it as a base for a healthy breakfast bowl with fresh fruit, nuts, and seeds. Blend it into smoothies for a protein and probiotic boost. You can even use it as a healthier substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in dips and dressings. The key is to incorporate it into an overall balanced and varied diet. It's a powerful food, but it works best as part of a team of other nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Finally, I know that everyone's dietary needs are different. If you have specific health conditions, allergies, or are on a particular diet, you might have questions about how yogurt fits into your personal plan. Don't hesitate to reach out. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to provide some guidance or point you in the right direction. Personalized nutrition is key, and I'm here to help you on your health journey. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel for more health tips.